Hi, I'm Dr. Vilson Scholz, visiting professor from Brazil here at Concordia Seminary, and I teach biblical interpretation and New Testament theology. Please join me this summer for a workshop on using worldly wealth. We will be discussing topics such as, do we have a theology of possessions? What about tithing? And is that principle found in Proverbs chapter 30? Give me neither poverty nor riches. Is this principle found in the Bible as a whole? Special attention will be given to Jesus' teaching in the Gospels, to the life or experience of the Apostolic Church according to the book of Acts, and to select passages from Paul's epistles. So, join me on using worldly wealth. I look forward to seeing you this summer.